Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So I am going to be just jumping right into Easter and spring DIYs because why not? Valentine's was yesterday, today is not Valentine's Day, and that is the next holiday, that's the next season, and I am pumped for it. We are still getting so much snow here, but I feel like if maybe the inside of my house looks springy and all ready for Easter, then I have some hope that spring will be here soon enough. So I'm just gonna be doing some Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm gonna be doing two different ones. One was more likely inspired from Catherine from Do It On a Dime. I'm pretty sure she did this a couple of years ago. I'm gonna search for her video, but I know I didn't come up with one of these ideas on my own, although I did give it a little bit of a twist of my own kind. So I am going to get started and show you what I did. For this first DIY, you're gonna need one of these little blue bunnies. It's like a little stake you stick in the ground, a little tan pot, and 2 bags of reindeer moss. And I'm also using the Waverly chalk paint in white. I started off by painting this pot all of white, and this dried very, very quickly. So I started off doing this before I started doing the rabbit. Once the pot was drying, I grabbed my hot glue gun and I started adding the reindeer moss to this rabbit. I added the hot glue along all the lines of the rabbit, and that made it a lot easier. And I did have to keep lifting it up off the cardboard or it was going to stick because of all the little holes. And this took quite some time, but I thought that the end result was so nice, and this only cost $3 to make this little bunny. I did end up cutting the little whiskers off the rabbit because I thought they would look funny, just adding little moss to it. And then I did make sure that I took the moss and put it all along the sides, and then once that was done, I did end up trimming it up, and then I used some floral foam and a bunch of rocks to hold this down. It's really top heavy, so I did add a lot of rocks. I also added some of these little spring flowers to the bottom of this. These were from a last year project. I thought they'd look so cute here and give it a little bit of color. And then I took this lace ribbon and just added a little bow right to his neck. In the second DIY, I'm just going to take 2 of these carrot jump ropes, and then I'm just going to pull the ropes from them. Some of these were easy and some of them were hard. And then I'm just going to take this white chalk paint and just paint all the carrots white. And once the carrots were dry, I did take this wax in the Antique by Waverly, and I just colored in all these little cracks in the carrot just to make it look a little more rustic and a little more farmhouse. So this wasn't completely my idea. I did kind of make it my own, and I did use my finger and kind of move it around a little bit, but I'm pretty sure I seen this on Do It On a Dime a few years ago, if not last year. But I thought these were so cute, so I did have to recreate them to my own liking. But I did use that, and then I also took twine and wrapped the other 2 carrots in twine, and I absolutely love these twine carrots. Once everything was twine wrapped and painted, I took some of this onion grass and cut it all up and just stuck chunks of this into the tops. And then I did end up cutting it because the onion grass was really, really long, and I thought I could get away with just using one of them, but I did have to use part of a second one, so I thought I could save another $1, but I couldn't. But I love how these turned out. These look super, super cute, and I'm just using a tray from Target from last year to add all these things. I think this is such a perfect spring and Easter look. If you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.